Baby shark loves to swim, swim, swim. Wiggle and giggle, flip and spin. Tiny fins that splash around. Bubbly fun without a sound. Mama's shark is fast and sweet, swimming strong with a joyful beat. She teaches baby how to glide through the ocean side by side. Grandma shark is wise and kind. Stories on the sea she keeps in mind. She dances slow with graceful toes, singing songs with bubbles and swirls. Grandpa shark has a hearty laugh, swimming with a flying splash. He plays peekaboo behind his shell, making baby giggle and yell. Upland sharks dance together with glee, spinning swans running wild and free. Under the sea they sing along, baby shark's joyful song.